Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the error. The error is like the file is too large for the destination file system. Okay, this error occurs when you copy too large data to your USB flash drive. Okay, so now let's go to show together. Here is my file. I want to copy it to my USB drive. Right click, copies. Here is my USB drive. Okay, and then I select pass. You can see these errors. The file CentOS7 is too large for the destination file system. Okay, so now I will show you how to solve it. In order to solve this problem, this error, we right click on your USB flash drive, right click. We need to format it. Note that before you format your USB flash drive, you need to back up all data in USB flash drive. Okay, so you need to back up. If you do not back up the data, you will lose the data. Okay, we need to format it. You choose here file system. You need to choose NTFS. Okay, so here I choose this, then start to format. Okay, format complete. So I move to the file the soft. Okay, I try to copy again. CentOS7, right click, copies my USB flash drive, right click, pass. Okay, now you can see it doesn't have the error anymore. Okay,